Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set reminder in OnePlus phone. So there are practically two ways to do that without having to download nor install the third-party apps. You can either do that by setting an alarm, which you can set up by going into the clock application and just set an alarm at the time that you would like to be notified about something. Or you can also set a reminder from the Google Calendar app, so obviously launch the Google Calendar, then open the date that you would like to set this reminder for. Should it be today, tomorrow, or 2 weeks from now? So let's say I'll go with Sunday. Then tap at this plus sign to your bottom right, go for the reminder option. Over here type in what you would like to be reminded about, set the time frames for this event that occurrence that you would like to be notified and reminded about. And you can also, set the time frames for the reminder, rather when you would like to be notified and reminded about the event that you're setting up, and choose whether this reminder should be repetitive or reoccurring or not. Then save the result, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.